Want more from your ThankYou Points? Here's how to redeem ThankYou Points at the best rate, quickly and easily. Start by purchasing a flight with any airline in any class to any destination. Congrats! You've booked your flight. Now, let's redeem it. Step 1. Open the Citi mobile app and head to your credit card transactions. Step 2. Look for your travel transaction marked with a blue tick. Step 3. Tap Pay with Points. Choose how much to redeem and confirm. Done! You've redeemed ThankYou Points at the best rate with Fly with Points. Fly smarter with ThankYou Points. Redeem with Fly with Points on the Citi mobile app today.